Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a website and app on iPhone iOS 26. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open the browser, and here in the search bar we need to type the website that we want to make as an app on our iPhone. So for example, I'll go to Gemini Google and click on the website, and for example I want to make this website an app on my iPhone. To do this, I need to simply click on the share button in the bottom middle of my screen, and here if I scroll down a little bit I'll find the button called Add to Home Screen. If I click on it, I'll have this interface. I can change the name of the application, so for example not Google Gemini but just simply Gemini. Here will be title, and basically it will show how it will look like, the URL, and you can choose open as a web app or just toggle it off if you want to open it in your default browser. Click on the add, and as you can see here it appeared on my home screen. You can drag it and move it to just your favorite position, and basically that is it. That is how you can make a website and app on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.